Chuck's Halloween by Alice Schertler. Little Blue Chuck and his good friend Toad were going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween! You come too! Who's that in a tutu? Striking a pose upon the tiniest tips of her toes. Under the mask, who do you see? Quack! It's me! Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jiggles? Under the mask, who do you see? Bah! Says the sheep, it's me! Who's that queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? Moo! Says the cow, it's me! What scraggly hair! What funny teeth! Who's hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see? Oink, oink, says the pig, it's me! There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see? Quack, 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 says the hen, it's me! A dragon's head and dragon wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? Yay! Says the horse, it's me! Clerk, says the toad, there's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before? Comes off the sheet, it's you know who. Little Chuck says beep beep boo. The end.